of course, the people worship many demigods, because demigods are known to give very quick results. They don't inquire. Actually, the demigods are great devotees of Krishna. They don't ask what will be the result of what you're asking, whether it will be good or whether it will be bad. You see? They don't think that this devotee is worshiping out of what kind of mood. All right, the demigods are preoccupied in management and in their service to Krishna. Someone's worshiping, all right, you're approaching me, what do you want? Then they ask, please give me this, please. And in Bengal they do Durga Puja. There, I was walking by and I heard the Brahmana, their prayer after saying that they say, first worship Durga, you are Narayani, you are the consort of Narayan, you are Vaishnavi, you are a devotee of Vishnu, you are the Jagat Mohini, you are the person who keeps the whole world in illusion. In this way they glorify her. Then they get to the punchline. Then they pray, Deya, Deya, Deya. Deya, they say, Dhanam Deya, Striyam Deya, Patistan Deya, Pujjam Deya, Sobham Deya, 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 Deya. Deya means give me, give me, give me. Give me wealth, give me establishment, give me beauty, give me power, give me a good wife, give me a home. In this way they go on. Janam Deya, Dhanam Deya, give me wealth. This is their prayer. So how can Durga be fooled? Oh, you are so wonderful, so wonderful, so wonderful. Give me this, give me this, give me this, give me this. They're not loving Durga, they're not loving these demigods. They're loving the wealth, the fame, the power, the other things that they can get from her. So they are not pure devotees.